mundo, it will make your pain even worse. Kapag lagi kang nakatingin sa mundo, it will leave you more broken. Napansin niyo ba? Pag sa mundo ka nakatingin, kung broken kang pumunta, mas lalo ka magiging broken. Kung may sakit ka, mas lalo ka magkakasakit. You will experience more pain than ever. But suffering is not God's will for your life. Let me repeat that again. Suffering is not God's will for your life. Alam ko na kailangan natin dumaan sa mga paghihirap, kailangan natin dumaan sa mga challenges, pero hindi yan ang iyong destiny. It's just a stage of life. Your destiny is not failure. Ang destiny mo hindi brokenness. Ang destiny mo hindi mag-quit. Ang destiny mo hindi pain. Failure is not your destiny. It's an event in your life. At dahil event lang siya, pwede mo mapagtagumpayan. Dahil event lang siya, hindi siya permanent. So kung natalo ka, you are not a permanent loser. Kung bumagsak ka, you are not a permanent failure. Si Job nga, di ba? Bumagsak ang lahat, nawala nang, naalala niyo last week?